Here's a 2014 BMW i3. With this all-electric i3 BMW adds another ability to its storied run: sustainability. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, cabin preconditioning, auto-dimming mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system, leather steering wheel, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and electric-only powertrain. New car test drive find, like all cars powered by an electric motor, the i3 has instant torque, which means great pickup off the line. The chassis is stiff and suspension is firm, yet compliant. A tight turning radius makes it great for maneuvering through parking lots and for flipping U-turns. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. Or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.